The simplest way that I can describe this is you need to find safety and security within yourself. So it's not about forcing to love yourself or forcing to accept yourself or to forgive yourself, but it's more coming back into your body, like really being in stillness and seeing what comes up and just allowing it to be there. That is the first step of this work, right? It's not that you have to accept and be complacent about all these beliefs and these emotions that are not serving you, but it's really about getting curious, which is why I'm like, curiosity is the number one thing that will help propel your healing journey, because instead of judging yourself, you're just like curious. You're like, why do I feel this way? When you can find safety and security within yourself, when you do the deep inner child work, and again, I mentioned in this video, sacral chakra healing work, I have laid out the process step by step, what I did when I was freaking deep in my limerence. Oh my God, it felt like a nightmare. It felt like hell. It felt like I was underwater and I couldn't breathe. And once I was out of it, I was like, wait, I think I just missed out 5 months of my life because I was just thinking of this other person and giving my energy to this other person, right? So I have laid out the process step by step, and I used EFT tapping, I used energy healing, a lot of inner child work, a lot of shadow work, but it's essentially just understanding yourself and getting to know yourself and being curious and asking yourself, like, how did this come about? You know, so not really asking these questions to be more of a victim in your life, but it's like, how did I get here? Rewiring it at a nervous system level, because you're not just rewiring your thoughts. You're not just thinking positive. You're not just flipping your thoughts, right? Like, you're actually changing your nervous system response. And that comes through repetition. Like, the only way that you can give yourself the love and validation and safety and security that you need is to sit with yourself long enough, be consistent, show up for yourself, and actually give your inner child and your body the reminder that it is safe to feel all of these feelings. It is safe to be here. It is safe to do this. Until and unless you get to the bottom of it, to the root of this, it's always going to keep repeating itself. You're always going to look for love and safety and validation and security outside of you. And it doesn't matter if you get over one person, the next person, and it doesn't even have to be like a romantic partner, right? It's like, could be your coworker. And if you don't change your rewiring at a nervous system level, then these things will always come up. So if you need help, I've laid out the exact process, and EFT tapping is so powerful for this. So check that out, linked in my profile. I know that that workshop is going to be the last thing you do to heal your anxious attachment. There's nothing else to do. That's literally it. All you have to do is just teach yourself safety and security. There is a process for that, but it requires you showing up for yourself every single day through repetition and being consistent.